Why settle for regular pancakes when you can have puffed oven pancakes with rhubarb? Thanks to my partners at Manitoba Eggs, I'm happy to show you how I make these. Chop your washed rhubarb, but don't eat it. It's super sour. Then coat your pan in oil and preheat it along with the oven. Whisk together 4 beautiful eggs that are gonna give us that nice, beautiful puff. Add milk, a shot of vanilla or 2, a little bit of cinnamon, a pinch of salt, and some sugar. Mix well. Now add your flour and mix. It's okay if there's a couple of lumps. Now on the bottom of your hot pan, add your rhubarb and then pour your batter on top. Put it all in the oven, but don't peek. Oh, look how beautiful and puffy that is. Now it's gonna deflate pretty quickly, but it's going to taste amazing. Dust with a little bit of icing sugar and serve with a little fruit sauce, some whipping cream or yogurt, a drizzle of maple syrup, and oh boy, you're gonna love it.